Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee jelly for business. First, gather your high-quality ingredients and necessary kitchen tools. Next, we will walk through the precise steps to achieve perfect jelly consistency and flavor. Finally, we will discuss packaging, pricing strategies, and tips for selling your delightful coffee jelly. This guide ensures you produce a consistent, appealing product that customers will love and keep coming back for. To begin, select a robust, high-quality coffee, perhaps a dark roast, to ensure a rich flavor. You will also need agar-agar powder, which is superior to gelatin for a firmer, more heat-stable jelly, ideal for business. Sweeteners like sugar or condensed milk are essential, along with water. For equipment, prepare a large stainless steel pot, a whisk, measuring cups, and individual serving molds or containers. Cleanliness is paramount in food preparation. First, brew your strong coffee. Aim for a concentrated flavor. In a separate small bowl, thoroughly dissolve your agar-agar powder in a bit of cold water to prevent lumps. Now, combine the brewed coffee, dissolved agar-agar, and your chosen sweetener in the large pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, stirring constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes until the agar-agar is fully incorporated. Carefully pour the hot liquid into your prepared molds or containers, and let it cool completely to set. Once your coffee jelly is perfectly set, it's time for packaging. Use clear, food-grade containers with secure lids to showcase your product and maintain freshness. Consider branding with a simple label. For pricing, calculate your ingredient costs, labor, and overhead, then research local market prices to set a competitive yet profitable price point. Promote your jelly through social media and local events. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description for the link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.